Hey Bennington boat lovers, it's Josh over here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a brand new Bennington that we just peeled out of shrink wrap. It's a 2026 Bennington 22 MFB. This is the fastback version. We have it as a tri-tune with the SPS performance package. We've got it in the silver anodized aluminum platinum rub rail insert, anthracite accent, and metallic silver main panel color. We've got our integrated dock lights and Bennington engraved cleats. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Guys, we're in the back of the 22 MFB. This boat has the extended aft deck, so it gives you lots of room for getting in and out of the boat when you're in the water, swimming around. We've got the fast back, so we've got our nicely contoured rear chase lounges as well as our rear firing speakers. This boat's going to have a ski tow bar and it's going to be powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha. It's also paired with a stainless steel Reliance prop. Guys, we're in the starboard side. We have our lily pad ladder. This is one of my favorite features on our boats. It's spring assisted, so it's super easy to retrieve and deploy. It's got real wide steps, great for dogs or young kids. Let's hop aboard. We can take a look at some interior features. Guys, welcome aboard the 22 MFB. Up here in the bow, we've got super comfortable seating on both sides. These chase lounges have fold down armrests, lots of storage up underneath. As always, the Bennington seat bases are roto molded and they have water channeling gutters, so it keeps your stuff nice and dry if it rains on you when you're out there on the water. We've also got some cubbies tucked away as well as some cup holders and a phone charger on both sides for a USB port. We've got cup holders tucked away throughout this boat and a table center line. Nice little wine rack over here, so you can store either wine or some other goods when you're out there on the boat, as well as a little cubby here for sunscreen and whatever else you want to put in there. We've got a in-floor storage center line here, which is great for if you have skis or water toys, you want to throw them down there, get them out of the way. Lots of storage underneath the console. Moving over to the console, this is the M series, so we've got our 12-inch Vivid UX screen up front here. This also has integrated mapping, so it makes it real easy to navigate the water when you're out there. We've got a Rockford Fosgate head unit, as well as our soft touch buttons here for all of our accessories. Bennington has our seat laid out perfectly, so whenever you're driving the boat, the binnacle is right there above the armrest. Makes it real easy to operate. Over here we have our co-captain's chair, and up front on the port side we have a pull-out trash can, flip-up tabletop, and underneath a little drawer with doggy bowls for your furry friends that are on board. In the back here we've got two chase lounges, give you lots of seating as well as lots of storage underneath. These are also going to have our fold-down armrests, our little cubbies with our phone chargers in there, and more speakers down here. This boat is going to have the 10-foot manual bimini on it. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.